Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 9SE, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to open settings and scroll down. Here you need to click on additional settings, choose languages and input, manage keyboards and settings. Then go into theme and tap on this plus sign under my themes. Now pick a photo by clicking on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them and tap apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!